Hi everybody, as all of you know that we are continuing one playlist on GCP Cloud Associate Engineer exam. So usually our flow happens to be like this. First we discuss a topic, after that we solve previous questions asked on this topic in our previous exam, and at the end of this playlist we are going to make a full video in which we will discuss all the concept and we will do a practical mixing all the concept that we have read till now. So guys, our today's topic is cloud function and cloud run. These two topics are very important from exam perspective, and we are going to solve so many questions on these topics in upcoming videos. Today we are going to understand these concepts very well. So guys, before we move ahead, please like this video and subscribe the channel for getting more updates regarding this. So let's first pick cloud function. So guys, let me explain you with the help of scenario that when should you use cloud function, what is the necessity of cloud function. So guys, let's say you have few lines of code. I mean you want to execute only few lines of code and you want to get that code triggered when some particular event happens. In our previous videos we have already discussed about near line storage, code line storage and archive storage. So guys, let's say if you have a use case in which you want to send an email to a person when any of your object moves from near line to code line. In that case, you should go for cloud function. So instead of cloud function, let's say we want to use some other methods like Google Compute Engine, App Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine. So let's understand what is the problem with that. So guys, if you are going to use Compute Engine, then in that case you have to select VMs, storage type, operating system, and it is going to be a very hectic process only for few lines of code. Let's say if you are going to use App Engine, so of course you are not required to select any machine type operating system in App Engine, but even if there is no request, you have to pay. Let us understand what is meant by this. That is, if there is no request, you have to pay. Let's say from last 1 month, no data has been moved from near line to code line storage. But in case of App Engine, one instance will always be running and it is going to cost you. Also, some storage would have been assigned to you by App Engine and they will be charging for it whether you are using that storage or not. Now let's say if you are going to use Kubernetes Engine. So if you are going to use Kubernetes Engine, then in that case you have to create cluster. Okay, and that is going to be very costly for you. Now let us see some of the advantages of cloud function. So let's assume you have written few lines of code and these codes have been executed only 4 times in a month or only 4 times in a day. So for only those 4 invocations you will be charged. You will be not charged for full day or for full month. So in cloud function, the number of times your code is executed, only for those invocations you will be charged. So it is very cost effective. Now how can you use cloud function? So you have to write your code in Node.js, Python, Java, Go, .NET, Ruby. Let's say you have written these 3-4 lines in these languages. I mean you have to search cloud function in Google Cloud Platform and then you have to paste these lines of code written in Node.js, Python or Java over there. And you are not required to worry about servers, scaling, auto scaling, nothing. So it is totally serverless. So guys, we have already talked about different events like pub subtopic, cloud storage, stack driver logging. We are going to see this stack driver logging in upcoming videos, but we have already seen cloud storage. Okay, so guys, pub sub is publish subscriber model. So in this, let's suppose if there is need of triggering any method, data is consumed or produced on any topic, then in that case it's Google recommended practice to use cloud function. Let us move towards cloud run. So guys, when should you go for cloud run? So guys, if you have a small containerized application and you want to go serverless without taking care of VMs, scaling, load balancing, then you should go for cloud run. So cloud run is also based on pay per use policy like that of cloud function. Depending upon your request, as many storage server is used, you will be charged. Now next one is cloud anthos. In this model, you can run and deploy your Kubernetes cluster anywhere. What I mean to say is you can deploy your cluster on-premise also, you can use multi-cloud also, or you can use single cloud also. So guys, from exam point of view, you have to keep one thing in mind, that whenever there is need of deploying containerized applications and they are looking for serverless option, then in that case you should go for Cloud Run, because Cloud Run is almost serverless option. So guys, I've tried my best to make you understand on Cloud Run, Cloud Function and so many services till now. So guys, in next 4 videos we are going to solve questions, only MCQs in all the services that we have studied till now.